Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the chrome blur effect in CapCut PC to your video. So first can select in media and local, import your video or photo you like to edit. And I'm going to select this photo, and you can go to effect and select plans. And sorry if there are noises in this video. I'm so sorry. Alright, you can find Chrome Blur. Just add the track after you download it. So you can change for the duration. Okay, you can adjust for the option right here for the blur, and for regular chromatic duration like this. Go, that's it. Right? Yeah, it's basically you can add the audio, text, sticker, transition, and anything like. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.